I'm Keisha Charmaine and I'm back, and in this video I'll be doing my length check. So I have my measuring tape and I'll be figuring out how long my longest locks are. Remember to check out KeishaCharmaine.com and shop for the most versatile hair accessories, infinity head wraps. Also, get your Love Light & Locks oils made with horsetail leaf herb for stronger, longer, healthier locks and scalps. At this point, I am 8 years and 9 months locked. So I'm almost at 9 years. Woo! So I'll just start measuring. And as I do, I like to measure random locks and get like an average. So I'll start with this one because it feels the longest, not necessarily, but I put the measuring tape at the root, pull my lock down the measuring tape, and it stops at 29 inches. Okay, and that was a lock that has never been trimmed before, so this one is 29 inches. How about this one? This one feels kind of long. And this one is 28 inches. Okay, so far 29 is the longest number. That one felt short. And I know the ones in the middle of my head are the shortest because I remember when I was cutting off my perm, I accidentally cut off like a chunk of my natural hair. So yeah, the middle is probably always going to be the shortest. Well, let's just do one in the front middle. This one is 27. Oh no, so I'm getting shorter every time. Do I have any at 30? Let's see if I can find a 30. This one is also 27. This one doesn't feel that long, but I'll measure it. My guess is 28. This one is 26. Okay, alright, I was wrong about that. I have trimmed a bunch this past year due to slight thinning and breakage towards the ends. I trimmed them so that they don't break off, at like a embarrassing moment. Like that'd be really bad if I'm like out somewhere in public and I just run my hand through my hair and a lock comes off with it. We can't have that. So I trim my hair as I see fit. This one is 27. Okay, so it's looking like at this point 29 is the longest. This one is 27 and a half. This one is 28. Can I at least find one more 29? This one is 26. Well, as you can see, my locks are different lengths. I know some people are, don't want that for their locks, but you have to understand that it's natural. Your hair has different, your scalp, produces different kinds of hair all over. It's very rare that any one person has the same texture all over their scalp, especially someone of African descent. Our coils and our curls and our kinks are so vast. This is 22. This was definitely cut before. Yeah, this one was cut. That's probably my shortest one. Was that it? Well, I would cover short ones. Actually, I cut these on the side too. This side too? Yeah, this one is probably my shortest. Yeah, this is my shortest one. And I cut that because it was a married lock that got unmarried. And it was married because they were very thin. So that one piece of the marriage was trying to break off, so I just cut it both off. This is 14 inches. Okay, so I guess you guys see the longest lock that I could find at the moment was 29 inches. And the shortest was that 14-inch one. But the shortest one that I hadn't cut I think was, what, 26 or 27? Okay, here's another 29. I don't even know if this is the same lock I measured before, but this one says 29. So, yeah, so now I'll just show you guys how long it's falling down my back and call it a day. Thanks for watching. Here's my waist. I'm well past waist length. Here's my tailbone. So I have some that are past my tailbone. Yeah, some of them are sitting on the butt. Remember to check out KeishaCharmaine.com and shop for the most versatile hair accessories, infinity head wraps. Also, get your Love Light and Locks oils made with horsetail leaf herb for stronger, longer, healthier locks and scalps.